Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can zoom in or zoom out with your real-time footage on the Xiaomi camera. So first of all, open your camera. Go for the view current camera, and as you can see right now we can find the preview. So if I want to get more details, for example I would like to focus on this camera, I can zoom in by pinching screen with my two fingers. Okay, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. We can zoom in to the 3 times. That's the maximum zoom range. And the quality of the zoom, it's not bad, as you can see. We can spot some details, for example, right here. So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.